There are just some days that you are just on target and crush it. Today was one of those days. It was just magical. It felt like old times on ES because the ranges have been so small, it seems, and we just aren't getting much movement. And today we got ranges and movement and bounces galore. It was beautiful. Today, when it was all said and done, I had 98 ES points. That's just crazy. Not everything was a winner. Sometimes you would spread out your orders and 2 of them made money, 2 of them didn't, whatever. Things happen, but overall, just an absolute fantastic day. So what I want to do now is I want to review where I left off with you because we came in here, we marked some levels together. We have my strong ranges and all of that, and I just want to replay what happened. And I think that might be beneficial. So look at my AM briefing video. I'll put the link below if you want to watch me go and mark these levels. And now we're going to see how these levels played out. So let's go candle by candle. Maybe I should do this on a 5-minute. We don't need to go 3-minute candles. Maybe let's go 10 minutes. There we go. Okay, so there's the first touch and bounce, right? Came to level, touched and bounce. I'm just going to remove it, get it out of the way. And let's watch again. And there is a touch and bounce. Okay, then news candle. Where did it do? It came touch into my strong level, touch and bounce. Very nice. So we'll delete this level. So this half back is just so that I know where half of this range was yesterday. I always like to know that. Then again, we have that on another page where we have all the indices, but I still like to know where those are. So far so good. Those bounced really nice. Let's continue. So right here, all-time high, took that short. Let's turn off the large candles. I don't need them right now. Keep it soft. All right, so what we're doing here is we're really waiting to see what all of these levels do. So price moved. This was my best trade today. I took, one of my best trades. I took this short here and held it 1 micro. 1 micro. Micros can add up, guys. That's probably why we're the micros trader, I guess. I don't know. All right, let's keep going. Okay. And then there's the bounce off the next level that we drew. And then goes to the strong range. Hangs out at the strong range. Comes back and back test this as well. Right here. This back tested here and bounced. If I'd have been a little bit lower time frame. Let's go to 3 minutes just so we can see that. Came back and back tested the strong range and came through. Now, consolidated here. At this moment in the group, I told everybody, look for longs. And I took a couple 3 longs in there, mainly on NQ, but did very well in there as well. And that's it. That's basically it, right? And let's take it through to the end of the day. And right there's the end of the day. So those levels that we marked in the morning did really well. Our strong levels did really well. So I'm very, very pleased with that. If you're interested in trading with us live, check us out at microstrader.com.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.